Today I'm going to show you how to dose Fernox products into a typical open vented heating system, which will improve fuel efficiency, therefore saving you money, and also comply with Part L of the building regulations. The first thing that we need to do is to turn off the boiler. We're now in the loft for the second part of the process, and to allow the product into the feed and expansion tank we need to turn off the water supply to the ball valve. So I'm going to use a screwdriver to turn it off here, but you may find that there's a stopcock which you would also need to turn off by hand. In order to dose the Fernox product into the system, I'm going to need to remove some of the water out of the radiators. To do this, I'm going to use a standard garden hose, one end of which I've already taken to a foul drain outside. The other end simply connect onto the drain-off point of the radiator, and then using a pair of grips just undo the valve nut at the end, which will start the water flowing. And it's important that we remove enough water from the system to allow the product to fully enter into the radiator circuit. As you can see, the water coming from the hose pipe is a light brown colour, which indicates that there's some corrosion going on. Similarly, the water could be very black, which would indicate heavy corrosion. If the water was clear, we would suggest that you check the water quality with one of the Fernox test kits. So now I've turned off the drain valve next to the radiator and removed the hose pipe. We're now ready to dose the system with Fernox MB1. This is a 4 litre product. It's a heritage product that's been available since the 1960s. Although it's a 4 litre product, that doesn't mean that you should only put part of the product in. It's important that all of it goes into the system to give complete protection from scale and corrosion. We've now finished all of our work up in the loft. Now we need to turn on the water supply to the heating system. Once the system has been fully refilled, we need to turn the boiler back on, and then we need to apply a retreatment label, so that in 12 months' time, when the service engineer comes to look at the boiler, he can check there's enough product within the boiler to maintain system efficiency.